Quick weeknight meal. Me and my sous chef here, we're gonna make some smash burger tacos.
Oh, after
Yeah. So I got a pound of ground beef, grass-fed ground beef right here. Now the difference with our smash burger tacos is we are gonna season the beef a little bit. So I'm gonna add some baking soda to the ground beef. We've talked about the baking soda element of the ground beef, so you can watch that video. I'll link to it in the description. But by adding baking soda to the beef, we're changing the pH level so that the beef will actually retain more moisture and it will brown better. I'm also going to add some fresh Parmesan for that umami. Yeah, there we go. Why don't you do it? Watch your fingers. There we go. All right, so microplane some fresh Parmesan in there. 2 tablespoons to a pound. And then we are going to add just a little bit of dad's seasoning, SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. There you go. All right, and now this is the stage you can add whatever seasonings and flavorings you want. And then of course, for a dash more umami, some Worcestershire sauce. Can you say Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Good job, buddy. And we want that baking soda to go to work, so we're gonna let this sit for probably 2 minutes before we start to apply this onto our tortilla. Our tortilla, huh? What? All right, so I'm putting my beef off to the side. While that sits, I'm going to grate my cheese. And of course, I gotta hit it with a little bit of oil. Follow my own advice. Now let's grate this, okay? A little bit of aged cheddar. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just going to do a thin layer of ground beef. Now I'm going to leave about 1 inch of space to the edge because we're gonna fold this over and we're gonna top it with cheese and sauce. Make sure it's an even layer. And then I'm gonna throw my carbon steel pan on the stove. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of butter and we're just gonna sear this. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm gonna hit that with a little bit more chives. That is just beautiful. So we made our healthy, high protein Big Mac sauce. Yeah, now we're talking. Oh my gosh. All we do is fold it over. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, buddy. Better than a Big Mac. California meets Chicago. Big Mac and a tortilla. Tortilla surprise.
And my name is something.
Oh, after
Yeah.